Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a no-oven ginger cookies recipe that's really quick and you're going to love. Let's get to today's video. In my bowl right there I have 2 cups of all-purpose wheat flour. To it I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then I'm going to mix well, and then I'm going to set that aside. Moving on to my silver bowl, I have 1 cup of margarine, or you can use butter. To it I'm going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. You can just Google how to turn regular sugar to powdered sugar at home. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of my crushed ginger and a 1/4 tablespoon of powdered ginger. So again, if you don't have fresh ginger, you can just use powdered ginger. Moving on, I'm going to shift my flour with a sieve bit by bit as I mix with my spoon well, as shown in the video. You have to make sure you use a sieve to shift your flour as shown in the video. It's a must. So after that I'm going to go in with my hand. I'm just going to knead the dough as shown in the video to make a soft dough. And then again you have to make sure your hands are clean when doing this. After that I'm going to set my cookie dough aside. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I'm going to rub some oil to my board or working surface. I divided my cookie dough into 4 equal parts. So I'm going to lay the first dough to my board, and then I'm going to use my rolling pin to flatten it as shown in the video. And then all I'm going to do is to cut my cookie dough into squares as shown in the video. So you're just going to take your time to cut your dough into beautiful little squares or large squares according to your desire as shown in the video. And then all I did was to remove the extra dough that was around our squares as shown in the video. So we're not going to throw that dough, you're going to use it in your next batch. So after that all I'm going to do is to just make designs on my cookies. So for me, I just cut the cookies lightly with my knife as shown in the video across to make that design. So I'm going to leave you to watch me and see how I made the design. So after cutting the cookie, and then I'm going to lay them on my plate, my large plate there. So I'll leave you to watch me make the design so you can see how I did it, and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm back, and I'm sorry about the camera angle, but I hope you are going to figure out how to make designs on your cookie. And it's also optional, you can just cut your cookie and then bake them like that. It's not a must to make the designs. So that's how our cookies look. They look really good. So for me, I'm not going to be using an oven as the title of the video says. So I'm going to preheat my pan for 5 to 7 minutes, my heavy pan for 5 to 7 minutes. So moving on, I'm going to remove my cookies from the fridge after chilling them for 30 minutes. My cookie dough was really soft, so I had to chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So again, that's optional. If your dough turned out hard, you don't have to do that. So moving on, I'm going to rub some butter or margarine to my tray right there, that silver tray. And then all I'm going to do is to just lay my cookies as shown in the video. So you have to leave some space because the cookies are going to expand. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. So I'm going to add my mold and then I'm going to bake my cookies for the first 15 minutes. So as the title of the video says, this is a no oven cookie recipe. After 15 minutes, I'm going to remove my heavy pan, and then all I'm going to do is to add some charcoal on top of my lid so that the top of my cookies can cook and bake well. For this cookie recipe, you're going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, as you can see, I'm going to be checking on my cookies as shown in the video. If you're using oven, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then you're going to bake your cookies for 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, our ginger cookies turned out looking really good, you guys. They are so good, and for the first time I did it right. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Check me out on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye.